All right, folks, I'm here in Panama City, local snow location. And you see, folks, snow is falling from a sky. I never seen snow in Panama City at all. All right, folks, I'm inside my trailer. But I was worried about snowstorm, that it load a lot of snow on a trailer roof and it may collapse. What temperature I do have? Temperature right now, it's 45 degree by Fahrenheit or 7 by Celsius. Let's go outside and see what's happening there. Hey, this is views outside of my trailer, and I want to climb a roof. But first of all, let's see what's happening with the van. Sure, I cannot open van's door because everything is frozen and a lot of snow and ice all over. Sun is rising and very soon everything will be melted. I guess at noon everything will be clean out of the snow. Okay, folks, trailer roof partially cleaned. Van will be melted by rising sun. And this is my park location this night. And I never seen in 23 years such snow around here in Florida. Васи. Пойдем кушать скорее. Пойдем, Васи. No. You don't like snow. Okay, I give you food in your cage if you don't like snow. Okay, Susie Floridian kitty. You are Susie Floridian kitty. Go eat from a cage. Go eat from a cage. Okay, folks, that's his cage, and he's eating from here. I go to see if our orange cat in the park survive. Hello, folks. Didn't found any cats here in the park. Okay, folks, finally was able to open driver's side door. And this is my windshield right now. Temperature gauge show -1 degree Celsius. Everything is frozen. And since people does not know how to drive on the snow in Florida, I'm not driving anywhere. I'm just warming up my engine and having my coffee time.